March, kicking off our severe weather season here in North Texas, and this week has already been pretty active. We have a couple more waves of showers and storms before we head into the weekend. So let me go ahead and show you what's going on right now, because we are starting to see an increase in coverage of showers continuing to spread across North Texas this afternoon. I'm now watching this area off to our west, where we've seen some stronger storms develop just in the last 30-45 minutes or so. All of this activity is drifting to the north and east, but what you'll see over the next several hours, especially to the south and west, is likely some additional storm development before those storms lift to the north and east. So as we zoom on in a little bit closer to the Metroplex, we're seeing some of that light to moderate rainfall encompass pretty much all of Dallas County. And then a little bit farther to the south and west, parts of Johnson County, looking at some heavier downpours, basically approaching I-35W as we speak. We're seeing some associated lightning and maybe in a couple of stronger cells. This one just to the east of the Meridian area, approaching the Bosque Hill County line. We are seeing some lightning associated with that one cell, but I wouldn't be surprised if we see some pea-sized hail too in the next couple of hours embedded within the strongest cells. So that's going to be where that reflectivity, that red area is a little bit darker. Maybe some pea-sized hail, but that's pretty much it. We're still on track later this afternoon and this evening for some stronger storms, and that's when I think the threat for some larger hail, quarter-sized hail, as well as some stronger wind gusts will be likely, again, with the strongest cells. We just heated up a little bit more in the atmosphere. And then we'll be talking about that potential for some stronger storms later on today. So the next couple of hours still staying pretty tame. Again, monitoring that area off to the west where there are some storms that have ramped up in intensity just in the last 30-45 minutes or so. Most of North Texas picking up a little bit of rain over the last 24 hours. So we are going to also mention the potential for some minor flooding later on this evening because we've already picked up some rain. I wouldn't be surprised if we tack on an additional inch and a half, maybe even upwards of 2 inches across parts of North Texas before these waves are all said and done. We'll likely stay in the upper 60s today as those clouds stay put. Again, tonight, so mainly later this evening, we're going to be looking at about 50% coverage of showers and storms. I do think we see a little bit of a break as we head towards midnight and into the very early morning hours tomorrow, and then we'll likely see another round of storms develop thanks to a dry line that'll be approaching from the west. Either way, that risk, especially heading into tomorrow morning as those storms form out west and then march to the east through the morning hours, we still will be talking about the potential for, again, up to about quarter-sized hail, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour, and some minor flooding will be possible. That tornado threat is low, but not zero, especially for folks out in far east Texas, where I do think there will be a little bit more moisture to work with. So our futurecast showing showers and thunderstorms continuing to spread in, but notice as we head towards midnight, we see a little bit of a break. And then after about 3-4 o'clock tomorrow morning, storms fire up along the dry line, head off to the east, and then we'll likely be finished through the rest of your Friday. Then here comes that cold front on your forewarned 7-day forecast. That front still on track to arrive after midday tomorrow, with temperatures dropping into the 40s Saturday morning. Strong winds too, which means you'll be dealing with a little bit of a wind chill for early Saturday morning plans.